a seafood platter. I have no idea what this is.
From where?
Mondays.
Mondays.
From Mondays.
I got red beans and rice. And then a side of catfish. And I have some packets of hot sauce.
So these are fried oysters though. They deep fried the oyster. This is oyster.
Oh wow.
Mm-hmm. Oh shit.
It's time?
Yeah.
Oh. I got a ginger thyme lemonade.
Yeah, some raspberry mint lemonade was the one I got.
In the glass bottom. How does it taste?
It's good.
We got crab dip. So I got a blueberry pancake. It was really good. I got eggs and a bison patty and potatoes. Isaiah got this sandwich. We're full.
I could eat the rest of the sandwich.
Wow.
Chose
You won't.
not to.
Wow.
So
It's getting close, but see, that's us, the blue, and then that's the buck.
Okay. We're walking to the bus and we're going to Frenchman Street Art Market. I really like this. Wow, I'm a beat maker. This is Louisiana State Museum.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. They like,
Yeah. That doesn't change what they are. Alright, we're at Felix Seafood. It's supposed to be really, really good. Got actual live music this time over there.
alrighty, we got our charbroiled oysters. We have some hot sauce.
That's good.
Good?
That's really good. Yeah. That's hot. This is hot. This is too hard to hold on to. Do it. I like some. Looks like you took a bite out of it. Is it good? It's good. I know it's good. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. That way, and then yeah, it's on this little block. It's on this section, so it's.
Crab first. That crab is good.
That's good. Here, then we turn the corner and then there it is. Here's the transfer here. Yes, sir. Wow, there's no fucking route over here, bro. Just go over there. Like, you know, just don't come over here. There's no fucking road over here.
You can't fuck down this road.
You also can't fuck over here.
Wow.
Out here in New Orleans, they just got bubbles on the street. That's just how it is. That's just how it is. Beautiful buildings.
You know you can zoom, right?
Yeah, I know. I'm just getting it. It feels like I'm on another planet and I'm looking at the local life forms, invasive species. Those are nice. I like those bags.
Is this the 12? Yep, this is 12. Oh, it's packed.
Oh,
We're gonna be standing up, but I'm fine with that.
Yeah.
All right, we are at Dragos. We got our dozen. You ready for this?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wait for this.
I want you to try one first.
So I just gotta stuff it a little bit around the edges. Just a little bit around the edges like that. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna get it in. That's soft. Yeah. That's soft like good booty. That's soft.
Wow.
Oh, is that a big old boat over there? There's no prize somewhere. We're at the African American History Museum in New Orleans. So we're going to this one.
Tours in there.
Yeah.
The top is the leftist team who came to look right for hazards, and the bottom are how many people are found.
Jaune, l'orange, rouge, violet, lilas, bleu, blanc. Et la connaissance. Bonjour. Comment tu es? Comment ça va?
Oh, ça va bien, merci. Oh, ça va bon. Qui c'est ton nom? Comment y appelles-toi? Mon nom c'est. Et toi? Qui c'est ton nom?
Wow.
To the hall that leads to the doorway of you, oh holy ones. You are the first light. You will know the potential of possibility pulsing in the dark within us.
Yeah, we can't go in anywhere.
You are. I'm like, there's no door handle.
Even
Pikachu. Oh boy. And beignets.
appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
And gumbo. Drinking on that.
Blood black. Blood
I'm
black.
gonna call this O positive.
Yeah.
It's that.
Here's like a gumbo. The more ingredients you add, the more flavor you have.
Jerk chicken.
Yep.
Tostones. Cabbage. Oxtail. Cabbage. Rice and peas. And and we're watching this movie called War Machine. The obsession with the U.S. Army. Not me. Oh, the battery's actually dying. Oh, look at that. So we got these really tasty looking strawberry pastries. This one has a sausage in it. You see that sausage? Yeah. And then a breakfast Sammy. What if Louis sat on that too? Oh my goodness, you're sitting on fame right now.
I thought that was this thing.
Oh, maybe it was that.
It'd be better to just. Shoot, after this, we just need to walk up and down the street. I wouldn't stifle anybody's head growth.
Milk?
That's not how that works.
Yeah.
Maybe they just thought.
Glad we crawled.
This dance, put your stuff right there. Here's your second line up front. The dance is improvisational on 2 and 4. Let me see your feet. That's it. Because you naturally dance on 2 and 4. All right, shake them shoulders. Come on, you gotta follow me. It's a parade. Shake them shoulders. All right, work that umbrella. This is the final part. This is the final part of the funeral. And we can do this for hours.
Deck kitchen. Third deck kitchen. Sketch tape.
I'm not like flash photography. That's a thought.
Oh my gosh, that's his like, he's saying back the fuck up.
Yeah.
His chin came out. All right, finally got a po' boy. I got a fish one. It's huge. From Neo's. Neo's Real Rabbi.
Yeah, this thing big. This thing big.
Said you're definitely popping out now.